Welcome back. So as you can see, our dyes have traveled, and I'm just going to go ahead and take them out now rather than waiting till they get all the way up near the top. They've pretty much have gone as far as they're going to go. So I'm going to take each of them out and we'll measure them so you can see what each one's characteristics are. And again, the hardest part is not getting them in the thing. So here are the blues. So this one is blue number 1. Let me put that right there. And then when I measure that, you can see that, okay. When I measure that, let me put a white piece of paper down. That would make things a little easier to see. So that is about 4 centimeters or 40 millimeters. Can't remember which one. Okay, so that's blue number 1. Then I'll do the same thing for blue number 2. This is blue number 2. You can see right there, really didn't travel very far. So circle that. And that one looks like it traveled about 15 millimeters. Okay, so those are the two blues. Let's set those aside. Then let's look at the yellows. Oh no, don't drop it. Okay, so here are the yellows. Looks like I got a little bit of contamination in there, but so this first one, yellow number 5, again, didn't go real far. Stopped about right there. So it went about 15 millimeters as well. So that's yellow number 5, 15 millimeters. And then yellow number 6, a little farther up. Let's say that's about right there. I'd say that went about 30 millimeters. For yellow number 6. Okay, now let's take a look at the reds. There we go. Okay, so this first one is red number 3. And I suppose it could have gone I could have let it go a little longer, but I'm getting kind of impatient. That one went about 65 millimeters, and it's right at the top of the solvent front. So again, it could have kept going, but we've got enough information we can figure out our unknown as it is. And then here's red number 40, which red number 40 went about 35 millimeters. Okay, so red number 40. And now let's look at green 3 and our unknown. Whoa, got a little slanted there. So here's the green 3. That's went to about, say 35 millimeters again. So that's the green 3. And then here is our unknown. So take a close look at that. Our unknown has multiple colors. So you can see a blue color coming up to about here, which let's measure that. The blue came up to about, what was that, about 30? Yeah, about 30 millimeters or so. Kind of goes a little farther than that. And then the red, again, it's right up at our solvent front, and that's way up. This one's actually pretty high. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to match those up with what you think they match with. So here is our unknown with blue number 1. Here's our unknown, with blue number 2. I'm sure you all can agree there's no yellow in there. And then here's red number 3. Here's red 40. And then here's the green. So you want to determine which colors that your unknown matched up best with in terms of not only the color but the height that they were drawn out with the solvent, and then determine which colors were in the unknown. All right, so let me know if you have any questions, and have a good day.